Hello everyone, I'm Anuj Jaggi, and this is the second video presentation on the topic of the three new labor codes which have replaced various new legislations. And in this I'll be talking about the key changes in the social security included in the Social Security Code of 2020. So the new category of worker has been included in this code, which are the gig worker, which means a person who performs a work or participates in a work arrangement and earns from such activities outside of traditional employer-employee relationship. Another one is platform worker, means a person engaged in or undertaking platform work. Platform work means a form of employment in which the organizations or individuals use an online platform to access other organizations or individuals to solve specific problems or to provide specific services in exchange for the payment. There is no major difference as such in gig workers and platform workers, but this is the first time in India that application-based assignments performed by many workers being recognized as employee-employer relationship. The second one is definition of wages has been revised. And the first part includes all salary components expressed in terms of money are capable of being so expressed, like basic salary, all reimbursements, all allowances, all benefits, etc. Second part of the definition provides for specific exclusion like bonus payable under any law, conveyance allowance, house rent allowance, overtime allowance, house accommodation, supply of light, water, medical attendance, etc. The third part of the definition provides that the total excluded components should not exceed 50% of the total remuneration. The third part of the definition provide limit, as the definition very clearly specifies the list of exclusions, so anything which is paid to the employees other than the exclusion would be covered, and within this specific exclusion the limit cannot be more than 50% of the total. The Employees Provident Fund scheme has also been changed, and the key changes are the major reforms in the Employees Provident Fund scheme is incorporation of limitation period of 5 years for initiation and 2 years for concluding the inquiries. Aadhaar based registration is mandated. All establishments having 20 or more workers come under the purview of EPF. Earlier it was applicable only on those establishments included in the schedule. Systems has been designed for covering the category self-employed or any other category under the purview of the EPF scheme. Increased penalty amount from 10,000 to 1 lakh and imprisonment of 1 to 3 years on deduction of employee contribution from salary on and non-depositing. Subsequently, failure to pay contributions attracts imprisonment of 2 to 5 years and fine of rupees 3 lakh rupees. The Employee State Insurance Scheme has also faced various key changes, which are: if employer and majority employees agree, then voluntary registration has been allowed under the code and the ESI scheme will be applicable. Further, government can extend ESI scheme to any hazardous occupation also, even if a single employee is employed. And the Occupational Safety and Health and Working Conditions Code also includes various key changes, which are the code provides single registration for an establishment instead of multiple registrations. This will design a centralized database and develop an ease of doing business. Appointment letter has been made statutory, and also working hours for women. The working hours has been as per this new proviso. Female workers, women can work during night shifts with their consent. Also, the rights and duties of employees and employers have been faced various key changes, which are like the rights and duties laid down in the code for employees too, and also employees shall take care of their own health and shall comply with specified safety and health measures. Also, the appropriate government for the for the factory governed by the central government will be central government, and also including the establishment for contractors for the purposes of such kind of establishment. In other cases, the concerned state government where it is situated will take charge. The code has also covered audio-visual production, including feature films, non-feature films, and television, web-based serials, talk shows, etc. The definition of contract labor has been modified and includes the interstate migrant workers but excludes the part-time employees. So these were the various key changes under the various key changes which have been included under the 3 new legislations or the labor codes, and I hope I was able to explain it to you guys. And thank you everyone.